Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom channel. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. This video will talk about 7 best ways to earn more by working less, passive income. Although a traditional job can provide a steady income, it is not the only way to earn money. There are plenty of opportunities for those who are willing to think outside the box and explore alternate sources of income. Now, we know what you're thinking. How is it possible to work less and earn more? In this video, Wealthy Wisdom will share some of the best ways to start generating passive income and working less. But trust us, it's doable if you use the correct methods. So stay tuned and we'll show you how it's done. First, start a blog or online business. Earning a passive income online is a great way to supplement your current income or even replace it. And the best part is that it doesn't have to take a lot of time or effort to get started. There are several different ways you can earn a passive income online, from setting up a blog to launching an e-commerce business. If you're looking for an easy way to boost your earnings, consider starting a blog or online business. By investing a little time upfront, you can build an asset that will generate revenue for years to come. And best of all, you can do it in your spare time. So if you're ready to start earning more without working harder, consider creating a blog or online business today. Second, invest. There are plenty of ways to earn more money, but not all of them are created equal. If you're looking for a way to generate extra income without working long hours, investing stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs is a great option. Unlike a traditional job, investing allows you to earn money even when not actively working. When you invest in stocks or other assets, you're essentially putting your money into something that has the potential to grow over time. There's always some risk involved with investing. But if you diversify your portfolio and don't put all your eggs in one basket, you can minimize your risks and maximize your potential earnings. With a bit of research and some patience, investing can be a great way to earn more money without sacrificing your free time. Third, rent out a room in your house. In today's economy, many people are looking for ways to earn extra income. One way to do this is by renting out a room in your house. This can be an excellent way to generate passive income as it requires very little work. Furthermore, it can be a great way to meet new people and build community. And of course, it can also help you offset the cost of living. If you're considering renting out a room in your house, you should keep a few things in mind. First, you'll need to ensure that your home is suitable for hosting guests. This means ensuring that your space is clean and comfortable and that you have adequate privacy for your guests. You'll also need to consider the cost of providing amenities such as linens and towels. However, if you're willing to put in a bit of effort, renting out a room in your house can be a great way to earn extra income. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Fourth, buy real estate investment properties. Many people dream of earning a passive income, and one popular way to do this is by investing in real estate. When you purchase investment properties, you can earn rental income from tenants without putting in a lot of busy work. In addition, investment properties can appreciate over time, providing you with a lucrative return on your investment. Of course, there are some risks involved in any real estate investment. But you can minimize these risks and maximize your chances for success with careful research and due diligence. If you're looking for a way to generate extra income without working harder, investing in real estate may be the perfect solution. Fifth, create an online course. If you're looking for a way to earn more money without putting in extra hours at work, creating an online course could be the perfect solution. By sharing your knowledge and expertise through an online course, you can generate a passive income that provides you with a steady revenue stream. And best of all, once you've created the system, there's no need to put in any additional work. It will continue to generate income for you even while you're sleeping. Whether you want to create a course on gardening, cooking, or business, there's sure to be an audience out there who would love to learn from you. So if you're looking for a creative and profitable way to make some extra money, then creating an online course is worth considering. Sixth, use your skills to start a freelance business. The freelance economy has been growing steadily in recent years, and it shows no signs of slowing down. If you have a skill or talent that others are willing to pay for, then freelancing is a great way to earn some extra income. What's more, freelancing can be a great way to generate passive income. Once you've established yourself as a freelancer, you can build up a client base that will provide you with steady work. And if you're smart about it, you can also use your freelancing skills to create products or services that can be sold on an ongoing basis. So if you're looking for a way to earn more money, freelancing is worth considering. And who knows, you might find that it's the perfect way to achieve your financial goals. Lastly, create and sell digital products. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for entrepreneurs, and one of the most popular ways to earn an income online is by selling digital products. Digital products can be downloaded and used electronically, such as ebooks, templates, or software. One of the main advantages of selling digital products is that it can be a very passive income stream. Once you have created a product, you can sell it repeatedly without having to put in any additional work. This means that you can generate an income even while you're sleeping. Another advantage of digital products is that they have very low overheads. There's no need to worry about manufacturing or storage costs, as everything is done electronically. If you're looking for a way to earn more money with less work, then selling digital products is an excellent option. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer to how to make a passive income, what we've shared in this post are some tried and tested methods that can work for anyone. So if you're looking for ways to reduce your workload and enjoy more free time, give some of these strategies a try. Have you had success with any other methods not mentioned here? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.